Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, friends. I'm Bunie.
Today we'll practice how to talk about holidays with a long conversation, slow, clear, and beginner-friendly.
We'll use short sentences so you can repeat and speak confidently.
Bunie, how are you today?
I'm good, Kay. A little busy, but I'm okay. How about you?
I'm doing well. I feel a bit tired, but I'm excited for today's topic.
Same. Holidays make me happy.
Me too. Just hearing the word holiday feels relaxing.
Exactly. When was your last holiday?
My last holiday was a short weekend trip. It was simple, but it helped me rest.
Nice. I haven't taken a real holiday in a while.
Then you really need one.
Yes, I do.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. K English Channel.
And comment below. Where are you watching from?
Also, tell us, do you prefer a relaxing holiday or an active holiday? Part 1. Starting the topic. Holiday versus vacation.
Kay, can we start with a simple question?
Sure.
In English, do people say holiday or vacation?
Good question. In American English, many people say vacation for a trip.
Like, I'm going on vacation?
Exactly. But we also use holiday for special days like Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, and so on.
So, holiday can mean a special day, and vacation is time off for travel.
Yes, but people still understand if you say holiday for travel.
Great. Today, we can practice both.
Perfect. Part 2. Asking about holiday plans. Let's practice common questions. I'll ask, you answer.
Okay.
Do you have any holiday plans?
Yes, I do. I want to take a short vacation next month.
Nice. When are you going?
I'm going in the second week of next month.
How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 4 days.
That sounds good. Are you going anywhere far?
Not too far. I want to go somewhere close and quiet.
Great idea. Sometimes a short trip is enough.
Yes, I don't need a long trip. I just need rest.
Many people feel the same.
Now, I want to ask you, Kay,
Go ahead.
do you have any holiday plans?
Yes, I'm planning a long weekend.
Are you going anywhere?
I might go to the beach
Why the beach?
because I want warm weather and fresh air.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I also want to eat seafood.
I love seafood on holiday.
Part 3. Talking about time off, work and schedule.
Kay, how do you talk about time off from work?
Good point. You can say, I'm taking time off.
Like, I'm taking time off work?
Yes, or I have a day off.
Okay, let's use it in a conversation. Kay, are you taking time off work soon?
Yes, I am. I have a long weekend coming up.
Nice. How many days off do you have?
I have 3 days off.
That's great. Are you going away?
Yes, I want to go away for a few days.
When do you leave?
I leave on Friday evening.
And when do you come back?
I come back on Monday night.
Perfect. That's a good plan.
Thanks. I want to rest and reset.
What about you, Bunie? Are you taking time off soon?
Yes, I requested 4 days off.
Nice. Did your boss say yes?
Yes, my boss approved it.
Great. So your vacation is confirmed.
Yes, it is. I'm so happy.
Part 4. Talking about destination, where you go.
Now let's talk about destinations. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the mountains.
Why the mountains?
I want cool weather and beautiful views.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I do, but I'm not a professional.
That's fine. You can do easy hiking.
Exactly. I want easy trails, not difficult trails.
Good. What else do you want to do there?
I want to take photos, drink hot coffee, and sleep early.
That sounds like a peaceful holiday.
Yes, I want a quiet holiday, not a busy one. How about you, Kay? Beach, right?
Yes, I want the beach.
Do you want a quiet beach or a busy beach?
A quiet beach. I don't like crowds.
Same. Crowds can be stressful.
Exactly. On holiday, I want to relax, not fight for space.
True.
Part 5. Talking about transportation, how you travel.
Kay, how do you get to the beach?
I usually drive.
So you go by car.
Yes, it's about a 2-hour drive.
That's not bad.
No, it's easy. I can leave early in the morning.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, I do. I like music, snacks, and nice views on the road.
Me too. Road trips can be fun.
What about you? How do you go to the mountains?
I usually take the train.
Nice. Trains are comfortable.
Yes, I can read or listen to music.
How long is the train ride?
It's about 3 hours.
That's reasonable.
Yes, and I don't have to drive.
Do you travel alone or with someone?
I'm going with my cousin.
Nice. Traveling with family can be fun.
Yes, and we can share costs too.
Great point. Part 6. Talking about booking. Hotel, Airbnb, reservation.
Kay, do you book early or book late?
I try to book early
Why?
because I can find better prices and more options.
That makes sense.
Have you booked your hotel yet?
Not yet. I'm still looking.
What are you looking for?
I want a clean room, a quiet place, and a good view.
Nice. Do you want a hotel or an Airbnb?
I'm not sure. A hotel feels easier.
True. Hotels are simple.
Yes, and I like having a front desk.
Exactly. If there's a problem, you can ask for help.
Have you booked your place, Kay?
Not yet. I'm comparing prices online.
Are you looking for a deal?
Yes, I want a good deal. I'm on a budget.
Same. Holidays can be expensive.
Yes, especially in peak season.
Peak season means the busiest time, right?
Yes, it's the time when many people travel.
Like summer holidays and long weekends.
Exactly. Part 7. Packing for a holiday. What you bring. Okay, Bunie, let's talk about packing.
Yes, packing is important.
What do you pack for the mountains?
I pack a jacket, comfortable shoes, and a small backpack.
Good. Anything else?
I pack sunscreen too.
Sunscreen in the mountains?
Yes, the sun can still be strong.
That's true.
And I pack a water bottle.
Great. Staying hydrated is important.
What do you pack for the beach, Kay?
I pack a swimsuit, sunglasses, and a hat.
Nice.
I also pack flip-flops and a light shirt.
Do you bring a beach towel?
Yes, always.
What about snacks?
Yes, I bring snacks and water.
Good plan.
Part 8. Talking about budget and money.
Kay, many learners want to talk about money. How do we say it naturally?
You can say, I'm on a budget.
Or, I want to save money.
Yes. Also, I don't want to spend too much.
Kay, are you on a budget for this holiday?
Yes. I want to keep it simple.
So you don't want luxury?
Exactly. I want comfort, not luxury.
That's a good balance.
How do you plan your budget?
I set a limit. I decide how much I can spend.
Great.
Then I split it. Transport, hotel, food, and activities.
Very organized.
I try. If I don't plan, I spend too much.
Same. Holiday spending can get out of control.
Part 9. Talking about activities. What you do on holiday.
Now we practice activities.
Yes, this is fun.
On my beach holiday, I'm going to swim.
Nice.
I'm going to walk on the beach in the morning.
That sounds peaceful.
I'm going to try local seafood.
That's the best part.
And I'm going to take photos at sunset.
Great idea. On my mountain holiday, I'm gonna hike.
Nice.
I'm gonna drink coffee with a nice view.
That sounds amazing.
I'm gonna visit a local market too.
Great.
And I'm gonna sleep early.
Perfect. A true holiday. Bunie, what do you do at night on holiday?
At night, I like simple things.
Like what?
I eat dinner, talk with my cousin, and watch a movie.
That's nice.
Yes, I don't need a party.
Same. I'm not a big party person.
Part 10. Talking about weather. Common holiday topic.
Kay, we always talk about weather.
Yes, weather is a very common conversation topic.
What weather do you want at the beach?
I want sunny weather, but not too hot.
So warm and comfortable.
Exactly.
What if it rains?
If it rains, I can still relax. I can read a book or drink coffee.
Good attitude.
What weather do you want in the mountains?
I want cool mornings and cool nights.
That sounds perfect.
But I don't want heavy rain.
Right, hiking in heavy rain is difficult.
Yes, and it can be dangerous.
So you can check the forecast before you go.
Exactly.
Part 11. Problems and Solutions. Real-life travel English.
Now, let's practice common travel problems.
This part is important.
What if your train is delayed?
I can say, my train is delayed.
Good. Also, do you know when it will arrive?
Yes. What if your hotel room is noisy?
I can say, my room is noisy.
And can I change rooms?
Exactly. What if you get sick on holiday?
I can say, I don't feel well.
Good. And I need to see a doctor.
Right. What if you lose your luggage?
I can say, I lost my luggage.
And can you help me?
Exactly. Problems happen, but we can stay calm and speak clearly.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
Part 12. Describing your holiday after you return. Past tense.
Now, let's imagine the holiday is over.
Okay, we will talk in the past.
Bunie, how was your holiday?
It was great.
Where did you go?
I went to the mountains with my cousin.
How long did you stay?
We stayed for 4 days.
What did you do there?
We hiked in the morning, we visited a local cafe in the afternoon.
Nice. How was the weather?
It was cool and fresh. We got lucky.
How was the hotel?
It was clean and quiet. The view was beautiful.
Sounds perfect.
Yes, I felt relaxed and happy. Bunie, how was your beach holiday?
It was amazing.
Did you go alone?
No, I went with my brother.
How was the drive?
It was easy. No traffic.
Nice. How was the beach?
The beach was calm. The water was warm.
Great. Did you eat seafood?
Yes, I did. The food was delicious.
Any problems?
Just one small problem. It rained for 1 hour.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all. We just went to a cafe and waited.
Good solution.
Yes, and after that, the weather was sunny again.
Part 13. Natural conversation, making it longer and more real.
Kay, I want to sound more natural when I talk about holidays.
Good. Let's add natural phrases.
Like what?
For example, I needed a break.
Okay.
Or, I just wanted to get away from.
Nice.
Try it. Why did you take a holiday?
I took a holiday because I needed a break.
Great. Another one.
I just wanted to get away from work.
Perfect.
I wanted to clear my mind.
Excellent. That's a very natural phrase.
What if I want to say my holiday was short but still good?
Say, it was short, but it was worth it.
It was short, but it was worth it.
Great. And if you want to say you don't want a big trip,
I can say, I don't need anything fancy.
perfect.
I just want something simple.
Exactly.
Part 14. More question practice. Fast but clear.
Now we'll do quick Q&A.
Okay.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with family?
I prefer traveling with family.
Do you like to plan everything or be flexible?
I like to plan the basics but stay flexible.
Do you like relaxing holidays or active holidays?
I like relaxing holidays.
Do you enjoy trying local food?
Yes, I love trying local food.
Do you take lots of photos?
Yes, I take lots of photos. My turn.
Go ahead.
Do you like crowded places?
No, I don't.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, I do.
Do you check the weather before you travel?
Yes, always.
Do you pack light or pack a lot?
I try to pack light.
Do you like staying in hotels or Airbnbs?
I like hotels for short trips.
Let's recap the key sentences. Do you have any holiday plans? I'm taking time off work. I'm going to the beach. Mountains. I'm going by car, train, plane. I booked a hotel. I made a reservation. I'm on a budget. The weather was great. I had a great time. It was short, but it was worth it.
If you repeat these lines many times, you will speak more naturally.
Now it's your turn.
Answer in the comments.
What do you usually do on holiday?
Write one simple sentence, like, I usually.
Thanks for practicing with us today on Mr. K English Channel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.